This is how Coco spends her days now, undressing herself. Now she is happy. Coco, why did you take your clothes off?
I did.
Yeah, no, I know you did. Why did you do it? Keep your diaper on, though, okay? Okay. Why did you take off all your clothes again?
But I know.
Don't you like clothes?
I don't like clothes. I do like clothes, but I don't like I need to cut my blues off. Hey, I can't get my blues off. Hey, I can't get my blues off.
Here's how she leaves her clothes strewn all over the ground. There's the sweater back there. I have no idea why she needs to be undressed like that.
see all of them.
What?
I want to see all of them.
You want to see all of what?
The pixels.
The video?
Yeah.
Let me see you do a dance first.
What's Cinderella?
Yeah.
Wait,
Let me see you do your naked baby dance.
I don't know make a baby dance.
Well, what's the naked baby dance?
Aha! There is a naked baby dance. This is a naked baby dance.
That's the naked baby dance?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good one.
And that's the baby naked dance.
Cinderella doesn't want to do it anymore?
No.
Oh. What's wrong with her?
She got sick.
She's sick?
Yeah. She
Why?
made a baby face off.
She needs what?
A Band-Aid.
Oh, she needs a Band-Aid.
You can't put her. You need to sit her down so her Cinderella likes it so.
Hey, Lily, can you show me how you learned how to smile? Show me your smile. Yay.
How about this? How about this?
Oh, that's good. What are you doing?
How about this?
But what are you doing?
I'm falling down.
Can you show me your smile again? No, that's not. You didn't show me. Let me show you. Okay. Bye. Oh, that's good ballet. Or yoga. Is that yoga or ballet?
Yoga.
Yoga. Good yoga. Hi, honey.